Here's a simple explanation of family relationships for students. 1. Parents. Father, dad, and mother, mom are your parents. They are the people who take care of you, help you grow, and teach you many things. 2. Siblings. Brother is a boy who has the same parents as you. Sister is a girl who has the same parents as you. Together, brothers and sisters are called siblings. 3. Children. Son is a boy who is the child of his parents. Daughter is a girl who is the child of her parents. 4. Grandparents. Grandfather, grandpa, is your father's or mother's father. Grandmother, grandma, is your father's or mother's mother. Both together are called grandparents. 5. Uncle and aunt. Uncle is the brother of your father or mother. Your uncle can also be your aunt's husband. Aunt is the sister of your father or mother. Your aunt can also be your uncle's wife. 6. Cousins. Cousin is the son or daughter of your uncle or aunt. You can have many cousins, and they are the children of your parents' siblings. 7. Spouses. Husband is the man who is married to a woman. Wife is the woman who is married to a man. 8. In-laws. When you marry someone, their family becomes your in-laws. Mother-in-law is your husband's or wife's mother. Father-in-law is your husband's or wife's father. Brother-in-law is your husband's or wife's brother. Sister-in-law is your husband's or wife's sister. 9. Step-family. When your parent marries a new person, they may have new children from another relationship. These people are called step-family. Stepfather is your mother's new husband. Stepmother is your father's new wife. Stepson is your new husband's or wife's son from another marriage. Stepdaughter is your new husband's or wife's daughter from another marriage. 10. Half-siblings. If you and your siblings share one parent, but not both, you have a half-brother or half-sister. For example, if you share the same father but have different mothers, that person is your half-brother or half-sister.